To make dynamic pages on a Wix website, you need to understand the concept of dynamic pages and how they can enhance user experience. Dynamic pages are web pages that display different content based on user interactions or other factors. Wix provides various tools to create dynamic pages, including Wix code and database collections. First, you need to create a database collection to store your dynamic content. This can be done by going to the Wix editor, clicking on the Add icon, and selecting Database from the menu. You can then create a new collection and add fields to store your data. Next, you need to create a dynamic page template using Wix code. This involves creating a new page and adding a repeater component to display your dynamic content. You can then connect the repeater to your database collection and configure it to display the desired fields. To make your dynamic page interactive, you can add user input fields, such as text boxes or drop-down menus, and connect them to your database collection. This allows users to input data, which can then be displayed on the dynamic page. Another key concept is filtering and sorting, which enables you to display specific data based on user interactions. You can use Wix code filters to filter your data based on user input, and sorting options to arrange your data in a specific order. Best practices for creating dynamic pages on Wix include keeping your database collections organized, using clear and concise field names, and testing your dynamic pages thoroughly to ensure they work as expected. It is also important to consider user experience and ensure that your dynamic pages are easy to navigate and understand. By following these steps and best practices, you can create dynamic pages on your Wix website that provide a more engaging and interactive user experience. With Wix code and database collections, you can create complex and dynamic web applications that meet the needs of your users.